Guys, I did it. I caved. I got the Van Gogh 360. All thanks to Cams. Thank you, Camly. So a few weeks back, I posted a photo of this and everyone was intrigued. So was I. And let me tell you why. I visited my friend's house and I was shocked by how every single room I went into had this beautiful, elegant smell to it. No matter any corner of the home, whichever room, but did not see a candle in sight. And I was like, I'm all about my smells. We all know this. I love my smells. And I was like, right now, I'm not leaving your house. Tell me right now, what are you using? And she told me about Aroma 360's Van Gogh. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. But before I do, I'm gonna let you guys know, I went ahead and I contacted the brand and they were nice enough to give me a promo code. So I'm gonna share the promo code with you because I'm a very nice person. So I got the Van Gogh 360, and the reason why I got it is because I love the fact that it was a hybrid. So you can plug it in, it could be a standalone cold diffuser, or you can connect it to your HVAC system, which means that the scent diffuses into your vents. So every single room, you know, will just like have this beautiful smell. And also when you plug it in, it diffuses throughout the whole entire room too. Win-win. I love me a hybrid. I got the Sister Christian. I got the Sister Christian scent, which is a scent of jasmine, lemon flower, and then there's base notes of santal and rosewood. So everything on the site, amazing. Like the way that it sounded, you know? Let's see what this smells like. Wait, I know this is like an essential oil, so I'm just gonna take some and put it on me. Huh? Rosewood and sandalwood. Yeah, I definitely smell that. It's very like under, but the main ones are like lemon floral and jasmine. Just like a very, very fresh scent. Bro, my house is gonna smell like a garden right now. Okay, so I set this up in a central part of my home. So the setup of this was fairly easy. It only took me about a couple minutes. I was able to set my settings. They have a Monday through Sunday settings, which means that like you can set it in different modes. So on the weekends, if you want it to smell a little bit more, you're hosting. Right now I have it set from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. What I love the most about it is the fact that it is a cold diffuser, so it does not need any heat or water. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. You simply pour the scent into the bottle and connect it to the system. And literally that's it. And within minutes, every corner of this place smells amazing.